Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert, with my second box. Right here, it's not the Road to WrestleMania, it's just the regular Topps 2018. Dog in the background making noises. Let's see what we can get in this box. Hopefully something. This with the medallion, I'm going to go nuts because I hate them stupid medallions. They're not worth a dang.
I think they should be inserts.
They should be inserts, not friggin' relics or anything. But anyways, let's get to the packs. See what we can do. I'm gonna try something here. I put that there, and when I show the cards like this, oh, I almost thought that was a silver the way it looked. Mustafa Ali, Adam Cole, first NXT card, Carmella. Why does that look pink? Maybe it's just the way it is. Elias. What happened to him? John Cena and Undertaker and Dude Love.
He's injured.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
That's why they put Baron Corbin, Drew McIntyre.
Maurice, Paige, Stephanie McMahon, Woods, Daivari, Bronze, John Cena, and Daniel Bryan. Tony Nese, Jim Ross, Grand Metalik, Kurt Hawkins, Ultimate Warrior, G.I. Bro, and the American Nightmare, Dustin Rhodes.
G.I.
Yeah, they did. They tried to give Booker T a G.I. Joe gimmick once. Asuka rookie, Akeem, Kofi, Tommaso Ciampa, bronze of Akira Tozawa, Jerry Lawler, and Mankind. Shane McMahon, Neville, The Miz, Maria, Sin Cara, Triple H, and Undertaker. Couple bronzes here and there, but you never get any. Once in a blue moon, you get a color that's. But not, William Regal, Apollo Crews, Bobby Fish, Drew Gulak, rookie card bronze of Mike Kanellis, Mark Henry, and Seven, which was also pretty sure he was Dustin Rhodes too. They always tried to give him these dumb gimmicks when they should have just left him as is and just let him wrestle normal. Jinder Mahal, Mickey James, Nigel McGuinness. I don't know if that's. Oh, to me, that looked silver.
It does.
But it's just the way the background is, I guess. It's not silver at all.
That's a.
I don't know. That might be a mess up or something. Roderick Strong, TJP, Daniel Bryan, and Booker T. I don't know. If I see another one, that's the only reason I set it aside. Maybe it's just the way the card is.
Him in the background, and that's how the other cards bronze are.
Michael Cole, Kurt Angle, Kayla Braxton, Hideo Itami, bronze of Nia Jax, Hunter Hearst Helmsley, and Undertaker. 2 more packs and then the hit.
And then the medallion.
And then the medallion. Yeah, that would suck. Chad Gable again, Billy Kay, Aleister Black, Byron Saxton, Ultimate Warrior, Mark Henry, Kane. See, they got bronze, blue, gold, red, and Ultimate Warrior cards. And so far, that must just be how it is, because this one's the same way. Kathy Kelly. So, nothing important. Heath Slater, Johnny Gargano, Mean Gene, bronze of Razor, the Doctor of Thugonomics, I can't even talk. Doctor of Thugonomics, John Cena, and Brock Lesnar. So, here's the hit.
What John Cena should have stayed as.
Yeah, I liked his gimmick so much better as that. But here's the hit. Plus, they usually give you that, whatever this, it's a Shawn Michaels card also. So let's go through the Shawn Michaels card. And then, bam, there's a Shawn Michaels card. And this is number 70 of 299, SummerSlam matte relic of Shinsuke Nakamura. I mean, I'm not a fan of them, but it's not horrible. Could have got worse. Could have got one of the, like...
Medallions.
The Medallion or Davari Brothers. Do they even make those? I hope not.
What's the Singh Brothers?
Singh Brothers. I said Davari Brothers. Singh Brothers is what I meant. Yeah. No good. Anyways, that's my other box. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye!